Hey creators! Before I show you how to skyrocket your YouTube views and start earning real money, smash that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your creator friends. Stick around, because there's a special AI gift waiting for you at the end. Alright, let's get into it. How to increase your YouTube views fast and get paid using simple AI tools. No tech skills needed. Let's go. Step 1. Create viral-worthy videos using AI. Here's the secret. No camera, no editing headaches. Tools like Pictory or InVideo AI let you create stunning videos from just text. Here's what I do. I write a simple script using ChatGPT, drop it into Pictory, add some background music and an AI voice, and boom, I've got a ready-to-upload video for YouTube. It literally takes minutes, and trust me, you'll look like a pro. Step 2. Boost clicks with AI thumbnails and titles. Let's be real, even the best video won't get views if no one clicks. I use Canva AI or thumbnaili.com to design killer thumbnails. Way better than anything I could make myself. For titles, ask ChatGPT for something click-worthy like, how I got 10K views in 7 days, no face, no voice. Keep your titles short. Use words like fast, now, secret, or 2025. These grab attention. Step 3. Use AI to find trending topics and hashtags. Want more people to discover your videos? Use VidIQ AI or YouTube Trends to find hot topics and keywords that are blowing up right now. Add them to your titles, descriptions, and tags. This helps YouTube recommend your video to more people. And don't forget 3 to 5 trending hashtags in your description. AI can even help you pick the best ones. Step 4. How to start getting paid by YouTube. Here's the best part: getting paid. To qualify for monetization, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or 10 million shorts views in 90 days. Head over to YouTube Studio, click Monetization, connect your Google AdSense, and you're ready to start earning. Pro tip: use AI to reply to comments automatically and boost your engagement even more. Bonus gift. You made it. Now here's your free AI YouTube Starter Kit. Download it using the link in the description. It's packed with the top 5 AI tools for YouTube growth, the best ChatGPT prompts for creators, and even a bonus script and thumbnail template. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and comment AI gift below for more free resources. Thanks for watching.